Hey, we're looking at percentile working backwards. This is question number 3. A group of students all took a test and got the following results. So we have the lowest score in the distribution being a 48 and somebody sitting over there at the top end with a 99. The thing to take note of here is that the numbers are ranked. In other words, they've been written down in the proper order. That's absolutely essential. We could not calculate position if we didn't have them all arranged nicely in ascending or order going up from lowest to highest. The question then is, what test result did the student in the 95th percentile receive? And so in terms of keywords or being aware of test questions, we've been given the percentile here, and that's the thing that's important to note. That tells us that we're working backwards, right, to find the score given the fact that we know the percentile. And the way for doing that is we take that percentile, whatever it is, we'll divide it by 100, turn it back into a decimal. We're going to multiply that by the number, the total number of data in the distribution, and then we're going to take that and we will count in whatever value it was that we get there. So just to show you how that works, we're looking at the 95th percentile here. So we're going to go 95, divide that by 100. We're going to multiply that by, now we need to figure out how many points are in our distribution. So I'm just going to quickly count them off for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With 3 left over. That's 23. From there, my guy with the 48, all the way to there, my guy with the 99. So times 23 in the formula down here. So I'm going to go 95 divided by 100. Hit your equals. There's your decimal, 0.95. And then I'm going to multiply that by 23, which will give me the number 21.85. 21.85. The thing to remember when we're working with percentile backwards is that we always round down. Okay, so think of it, it's percentile backwards, backwards, down. When we're calculating percentile, we go forwards, we go up, but when we're given the percentile, we always round down. So even though that's a 0.85 and your tendency is going to be to want to bring it to 22, this one actually rounds to 21. Now, again, reminder, the answer is not 21. We're not finished yet. You have to remember that last step. We need to count in. What we found here is the position, and it makes sense if you think about it, right? We have a test score of a 48. We don't have anybody sitting there with a 21, but there is somebody sitting in the 21st position, and the person sitting in the 21st position will be 5, 10, 15, 20, 21 is right there. So that person has a 93% on their test. So anybody who scores a 93% on their test is sitting there in the 95th percentile.